students, in this video I am going to show you how tendons work. In locomotion and movement chapter, you learn entire the skeleton muscle structure and mechanism of muscle contraction, right? In that chapter, you might have heard the term tendon and ligament. What is the difference between this tendon and ligament connective tissues? Remember students, ligaments are the connective tissue fiber which connect bone to bone, which link bone to bone. What are tendons? Tendons are connective tissue fibers which connect muscle to bone. And what is the role of this tendon in muscle contraction? Right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how tendons work with the help of this chicken foot. Okay, now look at here. In this chicken foot, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers are there, and here the fatty tissue is there like a cushion-like structure, right? Now here, this is called the dorsal surface of chicken foot, and this is the ventral surface of chicken foot. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to dissect from here. I'll remove the tendon, and I'll show you how this tendon works. And this tendon will be connected to this muscle, leg muscle, and when the leg muscle contract, this tendon pull this finger. I will dissect, I will remove the upper layer, and I'll show you how tendons look like and how tendons going to work. Are you ready? Shall we start? Right. Students, look at here. This is the dorsal surface of the chicken foot and this is the ventral surface. Okay. Now we'll see dorsal tendon and also ventral tendon. Look at here. I'm going to cut from here, this area with a sharp blade. I'm cutting this area. I'm removing the upper epidermal skin. This one. Okay, now this is, with the use of forceps, I am removing this upper epidermis. Look at here, exactly beneath this one, there is a tendon. Now, exactly beneath this one, look at here, this white color long fiber structure is there. Look at here, this white color long fiber-like structure called tendon. If I pull this tendon, look at here. This tendon connected to first 3 fingers. You got my point? Look at here. This tendon connected to here the leg muscle, okay? And this tendon, when it is pulled, look at the movement of these 3 fingers. This is called a dorsal tendon. This is a dorsal tendon. With the help of this tendon, with the help of this tendon, this finger started to move. When I pull this one, look at the fingers are moving. Are you understanding? Are you getting my point? Look at here. This is a dorsal tendon. Look at here the ventral tendon. Let me cut here the ventral tendon. This tendon, this ventral side, there will be a tendon that connected to all these 4 fingers. Let's see. With the use of this sharp blade, I am cutting this ventral side also. Look at here, students. This is the ventral side, and when I cut this upper epidermis, look at here. This is a bunch of tendons. You look at here. Let me show you. Let me lift this all and look at your bunch of ventral tendons. Look at here. When I pull this ventral tendons, look at here. All fingers are ventral side also they are moving. Look at here. And this bunch of tendons, each tendon connected to one single finger. Look at here. This is connected to this finger and this one connected to middle finger. Am I clear? And this one connected to, look at here, the small fingers, one small finger tendon. Where is the small finger tendon? Look at here. This is the small finger tendon. This one is the small finger tendon. Look at it, small finger tendon. You got my point. So this all are the bunch of tendons in ventral side. When I move this bunch of tendons, all fingers will move. Look at here. When I take this one and I contract, when I pull this one, all fingers will move. Look at here. So this is a ventral side of bunch of tendon connected to ventral side, and this is a dorsal side. Look at here. Just now we have seen, right? This is a dorsal tendon. This is a dorsal tendon and these are all our ventral tendon. I hope students you enjoy this session very much and I hope you understood what are tendons and how they're going to work. And this type of more interesting videos, please watch Brilliant Education Doha Qatar. Thank you.